Managing access in Azure Virtual Desktop is like being the gatekeeper of a bustling digital city. You need skills as a senior cloud architect to ensure that data and applications flow securely and efficiently within this urban cloud expanse. Now, let me take you through this journey of organizing a strategic guide on managing access for Azure Virtual Desktop, where security meets seamless user experience. So, why should your business focus on meticulous management of access for Azure Virtual Desktop? Well, as you navigate the high-stakes world of cloud computing, ensuring that everything runs like clockwork isn't just about productivity, it's a security imperative. Every day, the threat landscape evolves, and managing access is a cornerstone that upholds not just the integrity of your data but also your peace of mind. After all, with great power comes great responsibility, and the ability to control who sees what, when, and how becomes an unmistakable advantage. Imagine your Azure Virtual Desktop as a digital workspace that spans across the globe, with multiple employees depending on it every day. Picture the scenario of having one of your employees, let's call him Alex, needing time-sensitive access permissions for a confidential project. That's a scenario where swift, secure access management could be a game changer. By mastering the art of managing access on AVD, you are effectively weaving safety into the user experience fabric. As we tiptoe towards a hybrid cloud, the line between office desktops and remote work begins to blur. To handle this, we are going to peek into the cloud and look at deployment designs that have real-world backing. We'll understand the strategic importance through the eyes of enterprises who have navigated through this complex domain and are now streaming success. Let's start by dissecting a common scenario using Microsoft's Azure AD Connect enhance user access within the Azure Virtual Desktop environment. Azure AD Connect integrates with AVD, streamlining the synchronization of user identities and authentication, ensuring that when Alex logs in, his access policies align with a centrally managed access control mechanism. Now, here's a step-by-step walkthrough, a guide without an instructor, just a good old chat as we tackle configuring these settings. 1. Begin by setting up Azure AD Connect, bringing AAD and AVD into harmony. Remember, synchrony is key. Every change made in your AD should reflect instantly in the virtual desktop environment. 2. Dive into the Azure portal with your newfound familiarity with AD/ADC. Underlying settings are the backbone, and you will be creating Azure managed group policies to establish baseline access controls that resonate with your organization's policies. 3. It's time to get hands-on. Using the Azure portal, navigate through the settings and apply policies, taking note of which services access gets automatically provided based on who you grant rights to. It's like crafting access keys through user roles, and just like that, user policies start to roll out. As you've just stepped into the world of configuring Azure Virtual Desktop access with skill and finesse, a crucial aspect often overlooked is the afterward, the troubleshooting. Deep dive into this if you need a sanctuary after a particularly stormy sea of issues. A seasoned mindset is essential for navigating through complex Azure troubleshooting waters, and I'm here to be that compass. And as you wrap your head around access for Azure Virtual Desktop, don't forget the importance of understanding and deploying advanced security measures. From encrypting your data in transit to securing endpoints, encryption is a language that speaks in silence to the ears of the uninvited data breach opportunists. When you are done dissecting the mechanisms, and I've shared tales of virtual desks across the world, why not share the insights with the broader community? Host webinars, participate in forums, and be the beacon of knowledge within your network. Not only will you have conquered the world of managing access for Azure Virtual Desktop, but your peers will be part of your success story too. Finally, reflecting on our journey, as we've painted a vivid landscape of Azure Desktop access, remember that the road less traveled is the one that leads to mastery. From understanding business contexts to advanced troubleshooting, it's not just about deploying services on AVD. It's about embracing a security-first mindset, staying a proactive guardian of your digital city. As we bring this guide to a close, remember, the world of cloud technology waits for no one, so it's time to explore further, innovate more, and always secure more. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab, where the conversations don't stop with mere access. Keep pushing boundaries, fostering safe transitions, and ensuring that your enterprises stand tall with secure, adaptable cloud systems. Now that's a tale of access managed with the poise of a cloud virtuoso. Until next time, keep your connections tight and your data tighter.